Hi, I'm Roger Gales. I want to help the amateur lay luxury vinyl plank like a pro. We've come to a plank that I need to cut. So first step is to cut the length. Again, you reverse the plank and you set it up so that you can cut it. First I'm going to score it and then break it. Once I've cut it for the right length, I put the tile in place as best as I can, and then I'm going to measure out. I'm going to cut that at 1 inch. That'll give me 1/4 of an inch space between the plank and the wall for expansion. I'm going to mark on the plank about 1/8 of an inch for expansion there. Now I'm marking the plank for the area that I want to cut out. And I put an X on the part that becomes trash. There are several different types of tools that you can use to cut your luxury vinyl plank. If you're just doing a square cut, I recommend using a box knife with a sharp blade and a square. But when you're doing this kind of cut, the best thing is going to be a jigsaw. But a jigsaw is simple and easy. You're going to need lots of blades. My experience is a good blade will last only half dozen planks at the most. So jigsaw is great for cutting, and it helps if it's plugged in. Rookie move number 1, unplug jigsaw. A little bit of sanding, smooth it down. After you cut, bring it back, lay it down to see how it looks. Since you're a rookie, expect that you're not going to get it right every once in a while, maybe half the time. I want to show you a rookie move in cutting a corner. So I measured that I wanted to bring this 1/4 of an inch from the wall at the most, maybe 1/8 of an inch. So I wanted to cut it at 1 inch. But when I marked it, I actually marked it at about 1 1/8 inches, and then I cut it outside of that line. So it's not a problem here because I'm using a 1/2 inch wide baseboard. But here it's going to stick out because the baseboard is going to be in line with this. So rookie move. This, I should have rounded the corner here, and it was in marking and cutting, not in my measuring. It was the marking and cutting where I made my mistake. Rookie move.